Now, in order to get SNAP, and SNAP is the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, you have to apply in the state that you live, and you have to meet certain requirements as far as income and resource. Your household must meet certain requirements in order to be eligible, and your state is going to determine your eligibility. Now, the first thing you need to do is to contact your local SNAP agency. You can do this by phone, you can do this online, or you can Google DHS, which is the Department of Human Services, and find out who's giving the SNAP benefits in your state. Now, when it's time for you to submit the application, do not lie on the application. No amount of food stamps is worth your freedom. If you live on campus, you should still apply. If you go to a community college, you should still apply. If you have a meal plan, you should still apply. If you have a high family income, you should still apply. Your caseworker is going to make the final decision. Even if you get denied, reapply. Even if you do get denied, one no ain't gonna stop the show. So reapply, get your paperwork together, and in the comment section, if you do have food stamps and you're in college, comment your state and how much you get below.